JavaScript, Java, Python, or something completely different? I had the same questions when I started learning to code.
Hi, I'm Raphael, a passionate developer and computer science teacher. Here you'll find coding vlogs, step-by-step tutorials and motivation to help you start coding and stay on track.
If you have ever wondered which programming language you should start with, JavaScript, Java, Python or something completely different, this is the right video for you. I'll show you 3 simple steps to help you finding the perfect programming language for your next programming projects. Let's dive right in. Before choosing a programming language, ask yourself one thing. What do I want to build? Your choice of language depends on what kind of project or goal you want to achieve. Do you want to build websites? Then JavaScript is kind of a must. Do you want to develop a game? Then C# and Unity is a great choice. Are you interested in data analytics and machine learning? Then maybe Python is the perfect language for you. Remember, your choice of a programming language should align with your interests and your project goals. Once you are clear about your objectives, it becomes much easier to pick the right language. And most importantly, there is no wrong choice. What matters is building something that excites you and motivates you to keep on going and to keep on learning. And there comes step number 2, the big research, and why you shouldn't be afraid of picking the right or the wrong programming language. Now it's time to familiarize yourself with different programming languages. You need to know which programming languages are suitable for your specific project. There are countless of options you can pick out of. But don't worry, you don't need to learn every programming language that's out there. Just focus on one specific programming language that aligns with the goal of your specific programming project. Do a quick online research. Which programming languages are recommended for my specific project? Use platforms like Stack Overflow or Reddit or some other developer platforms to read about some experiences. YouTube has tons of beginner-friendly videos that can help you to decide which programming language you could choose.
I know choosing a language can feel overwhelming, but you can always switch. If you start with one language and try it for a few months, you'll learn the fundamental principles of programming, and these principles are similar across most languages. And one more thing. Once you're familiar with one programming language, learning another becomes much easier. So don't stress about the decision. Just start and everything else will fall into place. Let's say you want to build a website. Start with a small, tangible project, for example, a simple HTML CSS page that you later make interactive with JavaScript. Or if you're learning Python, create a small program that helps automate a daily task. The key is start small and build up over time. Programming is a journey, and each language you learn expands your skills and understanding. The most important rule is to practice regularly and be patient with yourself. Progress will come naturally. Whatever you do, don't get discouraged if things don't go perfectly at first. Mistakes are part of the learning process. They help you understand how things work and make you a stronger programmer. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments which programming language are you planning to learn. Now that you know what you want to achieve and why it's okay to switch later, let's take a look at 2 beginner-friendly programming languages I would choose if I had to start from scratch. The first programming language I would choose is JavaScript, the fastest way to see results. But why JavaScript? If you want to see quick results and stay motivated, JavaScript is the best choice. Especially if you're interested in web development, there is no way around JavaScript. With JavaScript you get instant results. You can run it directly in your browser and immediately see what you have coded. For example, with HTML and CSS. And JavaScript is very versatile. It's not just for the front-end development. With Node.js, React or Vue.js, you can make modern web development much easier. The second programming language I would choose is Python. But why Python? If you're looking for a language that lets you work on both simple and complex projects while offering a lot of flexibility, Python is a very good choice. It's beginner-friendly yet powerful for many applications. Python is used in data analysis, machine learning, web development, and even game development or for automation.
I hope you now have a better idea of which programming language suits you best. The most important thing is just start and see where the journey takes you. Sometimes the first step is the hardest, but the rewards are worth it. Find the language that fits your project and most importantly, have fun and just start.